In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage versions of a non-Google file, e.g. PDF/image, in Drive. If you've ever updated a PDF, an image, or any other non-Google file and wished you could keep everything under one link, version management in Google Drive is exactly what you need. This works only on a computer, not in the mobile apps, so open a browser and go to drive.google.com. Find the file you want to manage, then right-click it. From the menu, choose File Information and then select Manage Versions. This opens a dedicated window where you'll see the version history for that file, along with options to upload, download, keep, or delete specific versions. To replace the file with a newer version, click Upload New Version. Pick the updated file from your computer and confirm the upload. Drive swaps in the new file behind the scenes, and the best part is that the shared link stays the same. Anyone who has that link will automatically see the latest version, which is perfect for documents you've already distributed. Give the upload a moment to complete, and remember that the version list will now show your new upload at the top. If you need to grab an older copy, find that version in the list, click the More Actions icon, the 3 vertical dots next to it, and choose Download. This saves that specific version to your computer without changing what's stored in Drive. It's a safe way to compare changes or restore content locally without altering your current live version. By default, older versions are removed after 30 days, or after you've uploaded 100 newer versions. If there's a file you absolutely must retain, like a signed PDF or a milestone image, click the same More Actions menu next to that version and select Keep Forever. This ensures the version won't be auto-deleted. Keep in mind that preserved versions still count toward your storage, so use this for the versions that truly matter. If your version history is getting cluttered or you need to free up space, you can remove what you no longer need. Select the More Actions menu next to a version and choose Delete to permanently remove it from the history. Once deleted, that version can't be restored from Drive, so download a copy first if you think you may need it later. That's all there is to it. Right-click, open Manage Versions, then upload new versions, download old ones, keep critical versions forever, and delete the rest. It's a simple way to stay organized while keeping one consistent link for your file.